Okay guys, this is my 2025 video of a Sendem for Type C to then 2M cable on my phone. The 6A full compatible fast super fast charging USB. The 2M 2000mm cable length to meet the daily fast charging needs of cell phones. It's a braided wire. What? Let me see what. Hold on there, guys. Yes, guys, it's a braided wire data cable is braided for more durability. This is the other side, guys. Can scan this URL code. Can scan that code, guys, if you want to. Keep it on little bit to make you guys scan it. See there, can scan it. Okay. The rest is in China. Some in English. The current 6A mean, let's see, some another guys 6A current interface type C cable length 2000mm long material metal plus braided braided cable color gold gray. So the card look there, guys. Yes.
And you know that's exactly why I stopped by Mr. George. Because I was planning to go to RGD in the morning to apply for Daddy's birth certificate. I'm here thinking to myself.
And that's a card look, guys. It's a round part here, so guys. USB there, so guys, the plug-in inside the charger, the adapter charger port, and this part plug-in in here, so guys.
Hi, Mr. George. Hi, Daniel. I hope I heard you guys.
This my dad, so what he died, leave, guys.
It's good to know that they don't cater to the visually impaired society. Why? Every day you listen to the radio and it's pure bad news. But this is good news for a change.
Okay guys, different from that, this is my 2025 video, so I see you guys later and I catch you guys on the flip side. So bye guys.